everyone, this is Angie at Stamp with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I post on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Sundays, so I hope you will subscribe. Alright everyone, today is card day, and if you saw my little box card that I made last Tuesday, it turned out so cute. I hope that you all liked it. It is this one right here. I thought it turned out so cute. It was just cutting out the designer series paper, and I did mention in that video about using the cut piece, which was this piece right here, as a stencil. So I sat down, and I haven't been able to put this stamp set down or this bundle down since I got it because it's so gorgeous. But anyway, it's going to be available today, March 2nd, to customers, and it is the I think it is called, I'm going to have to learn this because you know how it's hard to remember all these names. This is the Butterfly Brilliance stamp set. And then it comes as a bundle with the dies. So the dies are called Brilliant Wings dies, but look at these dies. Oh my goodness, I hope you can see all of those. Look at that. Oh my goodness, they're so gorgeous. I'm actually using these this time, where last time I used this big one to cut out the designer series paper, which is this one right here. And it does come with another paper, and this is a specialty paper. It's hard to see, it looks wood, but when you feel it, it's got like a grain to it. Like it feels like a really, really thin type of wood. It's really, really pretty. It's going to be beautiful with this bundle. So that is like a collection. So you can buy a collection, you can buy the bundle, you can buy them separately. It's all up to you. But oh my goodness, I'm totally in love with this bundle. It's so beautiful. So I sat down and played with that little piece that I said would be beautiful as a stencil. And I made a card, and it's really strange because I just sat there and started playing with it, and I feel like when I do that, my cards come out better. I feel like if I overthink it, it's not as good. So I created a card today, and look at this card. I love how it turned out. It's so pretty, and it is a top fold, but oh my goodness, look at the stencil underneath. Isn't that so pretty? And look at the detail on these butterflies. They are absolutely gorgeous. But anyway, that is what I'm sharing today. But before I go on, I want to thank everybody who reached out to me last week and within the last few days about how we were doing, because we are in Texas. I had to redo this video a couple times because I started getting really emotional, and I'm going to try not to get emotional now. But I just want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I'm touched so much by all of you who was concerned and who reached out. And I feel like we've been so blessed because we had water and heat through this all. And so many have not been so fortunate. And it's still going on because people are now dealing with busted water pipes because of the freezing. And my kids were out for a couple days, and I was so worried and concerned about them. And so it's just been a crazy, crazy week and a half. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really, really send all my love because, oh my gosh, it touched me. So before I get really emotional, let's get down to the work table. Okay, so let's get on with the card. All right, so what you're going to need for this, and I'm using basic black for our card base. So this is 4 1/4 by 11, and you're going to score it at 5 1/2. So it's a regular 4 1/2 by 5 1/4. For our stamping piece, you are going to need a piece that is 4 by 5 1/4. So that will fit right on top like that. You'll need some extra basic black to cut out our butterflies. And of course you will need your butterflies in your bundle. So on this card, I'm using this large one, and then I'm using this other large one right here. So that's what we're using for these two butterflies right here. I am using the So Sentimental stamp set. Actually, I just needed some Get Well cards. So I am just using on this one the Sending Healing Hugs. And so that's what we're using for this. And of course, our beautiful stencil that I cut out in the last video. If you didn't see that video, I will link it somewhere in this video so you can check that out. All right, so I'm using Melon Mambo and I'm using Gorgeous Grape. You can use whatever colors you like for this because it's all up to you. So what I'm using is some temporary adhesive. This is the removable kind, and you're just going to put it on all, make sure you put it on all these little areas so that it stays down. You don't want it lifting up because it is cardstock. You can even cut one of these out of the window sheet. That would really be like a permanent stencil. And then actually when I did the first one, I just did it on a A4 cardstock and then I cut it out. But this one I'm going to just try to line up on here. So I think that we are going to do it. See if I can scoot it over just a hair. Yeah, I think that's how I'll do it, just like that. And we are using our beautiful new brushes that we have. I love these. They're so soft and oh my goodness. It feels so soft on your face too, but I wouldn't use it on your face when you have ink on it. So we are just going to start, we'll start with the Melon Mambo. And you just need a real light touch with these. So just don't go crazy. I mean, and you can make these as light or as dark as you want. But the blending with these brushes, oh my goodness, absolutely is a game changer. So you need to try these. All right, and then I'm going to switch over to the Gorgeous Grape. In fact, I'm ordering more of these because I would love to have one for every color, although that's way too many. So I'm trying to get at least some that all like are in the purple range or in the pink range that we can use. I can use on here. You can definitely clean these. I could clean them with the Stampin' Mist. I've been doing that. So you can just clean it off and then just reuse it. You don't need one for every color. You know, I'm just got hopes. It would be nice. So we're going to just continue to use this as a stencil. It worked perfect as a stencil, y'all. I didn't know if it would, you know, with the reusable or the removable adhesive, but it actually worked really well. I'm going to try to make some of this a little bit darker. All right, I think we're good like that. You can do how many colors you want. If you want more colors, you can just add more color. Just use your imagination. So look at this. Look how pretty. Don't forget to remove your removable adhesive on there before you go any further. And then what I'm going to do is I added some of our shimmer paint with some water in here and just a drop or two of alcohol so it would dry a little bit faster. And we are going to spritz this. It gives it that little watermark on it, but oh my goodness, it looks so pretty and it gives such a shimmer. It's just really pretty. Yep. Get a little dot on there. All right. So I'm going to grab a paper towel here and I'm just going to blot this off. But look at the watermark that it leaves on there. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. It's really pretty. All right, so let's bring the cut and emboss up here. And we are going to cut out our butterflies. Y'all, these butterflies are absolutely gorgeous. They're so beautiful. And I found if you just run them through a couple times, all the pieces came out for me. So watch it not happen, because that always happens in my videos when I say that. Just running it through a couple times. So I did it 3 times this time, just to show you. They cut really nicely though. And you can see how clean they come out of here. All right, so yeah, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Not one piece left. Look how gorgeous these are, y'all. Look at these. And then here's the other one. This one gave me a little bit of problems. I did have to pop out a couple pieces, but it looks like if you do it 3 times, you don't have to, because this one came out just perfect too. Aren't those gorgeous? Oh my goodness, I love this new bundle. So let's go ahead and put this together. Super, super easy. Oh, first we have to stamp our sentiment. I don't want to get ahead of myself here. So I'm using the stamparatus because I want to make sure I get this straight on here. And we're going to just put it in this corner. And I hope, let's see if I got that lined up. I think we're good. And I'm going to use some Memento Black. Just put that on there to hold it in place a little bit. Love this stamparatus. I'm using it more and more every day. So there we go. I don't know if it's perfectly straight, but it's pretty good. So let's get that out, and we're going to put this all together. It's really easy, and it goes so fast. So I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal on here. Boy, I'm clumsy today. It's still cold. In fact, when I did my intro, I was like, everybody's going to think that's the only sweatshirt I own, because I think the last few videos I did, I had the same sweatshirt on. But it's been so cold in here. I really have been wearing a lot of sweatshirts. I have like 4 different ones, but it seems like every time I do the video, it's the same one. All right, so now you can use wet glue or you can use your glue dots. I'm going to just go ahead and use some wet glue. I was so tempted to put some little of our pearls on there. By the way, let me show you here in a minute. I think I forgot to talk about it in my last video, so I'm going to tell you about it now. As soon as I get these glued on. And I'm only gluing the body parts on because I want the wings to be free, because they're so beautiful. They're just so pretty. So there you go. There you have it. Isn't that quick and easy? Here's the other one. You can see I used more pink on this one and more gorgeous grape, well, melon mambo, and more gorgeous grape on this one. So you can get all different effects on that. All right, so I have a giveaway for the month of March. So if you place an order $50 or more with me, you are going to get a pack of these pastel pearls. And they're gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I really wanted to add them to this card, but I didn't want it to take away from these beautiful butterflies, so I decided against it. But these pearls are so pretty. There's a lighter pink under here. I don't want to open it because this is going to go to somebody. And so I will be sending them out to you. And it may be by the end of March, depending on how many orders I get. I do have a supply of them, but if they run out, some of you may be getting it a little bit later. So it's gorgeous. These are perfect for Easter and spring. So that is it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.